next lesson. Okay, so this is all about.
So, you just say you have a own company. So, what
Yes.
is your products?
Oh, we have a tracking company.
Truck,
Tracking.
trucking company.
Yes.
Then transportation service.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
that's good. How many truck do you have?
We have two
Ah,
yeah, we have two tracks because we're just new.
that's new.
Before, yeah,
Ah,
we have a
okay.
new company. Mr. Tang, before we enter the tracking company, I have also school for the
Wow.
needy. Yes.
You
Uh,
Cool.
you
School.
mean school business?
Yes, exactly. Occupational, if you know that, occupational and physical therapy. You know that this is the school of the autism. I have,
Autism.
yeah, autism kids, if you know that. So I have a group class. Okay, so but it happened that this one in the COVID-19 come in our
Yes.
life into our lives, so we closed that one because we lost it of our the profit, and because that time we are just renting the center. So it's very expensive and we don't have enough money to rent it, about because that time there's no kids entering in our premises, just online. All of our client is online.
Yes.
Okay,
I
so
see.
we decided to close it, and then after that we put a tracking company.
Yeah, that's good idea, and I do hope you have uh, prosperity business.
I hope that. But I also have a plan to have another business. Maybe next year. I want also to have motorcycle parts.
That's
Yes.
good idea. Yeah.
Yes. Even I have a small capital, but if you look at it, Mr. Tang, little by little, you can do big. Even that small business, you can do big as long as you have patience and as long as you know on how to handle it. I think you can do better a businessman. That's my own
Yes.
opinion of having a business.
Yeah, that's good.
Mhm.
That's from
Because
from
in my tracking company, my sister is the one who handle it, who manage it. So that's why I want to have another extra income next, hopefully next year, and I really like this one because in the daytime I can manage the business, okay, and then the nighttime I can teach.
wow, very hardworking.
Yes. Yes, that's my plan. That's my plan.
Yeah, that's
Because I
good.
just I don't want to, because this, if you putting up a business of a starting business, don't don't use the money for, let's say, for your personal needs, okay? About the business, okay? So that's why I need to work also from another income or another source to provide my needs, okay? So that's my target, okay?
Okay,
So
so
so the mhm.
so which which job for your needs from truck company or English uh, class
oh
or from English class?
oh
Which
miss uh with regards to my tracking company, so the person who handle it is my sister, who is also teaching English class. So
uh,
yes, she is more than of his. Let's say I am 43 years old. I think she is also teaching 20 years. in teaching English online. My
No,
sister.
I mean, you have a number of source to get money and for your need, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. This one.
I mean, which one is which source from
Yeah,
truck company or English class?
the English class.
Oh,
Yeah, the
that's
English
good.
the English class. Okay, so because we didn't get from the money from our business because we have to improve, or want to grow our company. So the income of our company is just for the company. So that's why we have to have another source of income.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. Yeah,
Yeah.
I love that. Huh?
Okay, so
uh,